Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a pulsed pushback. There's no specific moves you need to know to be able to do one of these, but a good intermediate level of technique would be useful. I'll put links to some technique clips in the description in case you want to go back and kind of brush up on your technique before you go for it. But we'll show you the move. It looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. So let's break it down. It starts off with a travelling return. So we do travelling return, and this is just to get to 2 hands. Anywhere where you're stepped away to 2 hands is going to set you up nicely for this. You want the energy away so you can bring the lady in and form a strong compression. And forming a strong compression, we really are trying to get the lady to almost lean on us. And we could change grip, some people do, so they may go to thumb into lady's thumb gap, fingers curled around. It's not required, it works perfectly well without. But what we do need to do as a fella, having brought the lady in, we need to increase our tone, not squeezing or pushing or anything, just increasing our tone so we're very strong. The ladies can feel that and match that tone so they're ready for a high energy movement. And that high energy movement is just going to be a quick movement back to get a double step. So you just get ba-da, and the guys chase, ba-da. We reset up. We're actually going to do 3, you could do less or more, and we just get ba-dum, prep, ba-dum, and you're done. From here, the energy is away, so you're ready to bring the lady forwards. You could soften it and keep the lady moving and end up walking past it. So let's do it again from this side, and we'll talk numbers. We go back 1, over the top 2, 2 hands on 3, preparation 4, pulse 5, preparation 6, pulse 7, preparation 8, pulse 1. And we're done. Let's try it together. Here we go. 5, 6, a pulsed push back. You go a back over the top, 2 hands and prep, pulse, prep, pulse, prep, pulse, and you're done. That's it. That's the whole thing. Do like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Liking and subscribing helps promote the moves and the channel. So big thank you to everyone who does that. Music recommendation on the end, something nice to practice to. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.